Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to use Claude Opus 4.7 for free coding using VS Code. As you can see, it's locally. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go ahead to Google, open olama.com and go here to download. And download, you can download from here and install it. After that, you can get this icon Olama. Okay, after that, let's go ahead to modules and want to use the latest version of free locally Claude Opus 4.7. 4.7. Okay, where is this last update 3 weeks ago? Let's click right here. And you can start downloading by clicking this link, or you can click here. After clicking this, click here. Now let's go here and open command prompt and paste it and hit OK. Okay, as you can see, the downloading of the Claude Opus 4.7 is beginning. It's around 22 gigabytes. Let's close this and wait for the downloading finished. Okay, the downloading is finished. Let's say hi. Okay, as you can see, it works fine. Now let's test it for coding. Let's close this and move to VS Code. Okay, before moving to VS Code, let's close the internet. Okay, let's move internet. Okay, let's close. Now let's move to VS Code. Okay, this is the interface of the program. Okay, first thing first, go here to extensions. Okay, and download this extension. As you can see, called continue. This extension allows you to run AI modules for free. After installing this extension, you can get this icon right here. Okay, this previous project. Okay, let's delete it. Click this plus button and go down right here at chat model for the provider. Choose Olama and make this auto detected and hit continue. Okay, fine. Let's move to the next step. Okay, we want to use this model. As you can see, Claude Opus 4.7. Okay, let's create anything. I want to create a website about the life of Cristiano Ronaldo. Okay, in one first. Hit enter. It starts generating right now. Okay, fine. As you can see, this code of our website using HTML and CSS. Okay, now you can press this apply, but it's not working because we haven't a folder created to add this. Okay, we have to go here, open folder and choose a path. After choosing a path, we have to go, for example, desktop and create folder CR7. Okay, select this folder and return here to continue. And let's apply another time. If it's not works, as you can see, we can add it manually. Copy the code. We are here until this folder. We have to go here to new file, create index .html. Okay, desktop CL7. Now, let's hit apply and upload. It works as you can see. But we have some errors we have to fix. As you can see, this model is not good for coding. Like you can see, there is a lot of problems. Okay, you can fix it manually or using another model to fix those errors. Okay, thank you guys for watching this or for this tutorial.